welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So here is my most recent Stitch Fix waiting to go back. But on top of that, I got two freestyle items that I ordered on my own that I have not showed you yet, and I would like to show you. All right, first up is this Sanctuary sweater. This sweater is called the Evander mock pullover. All right, I thought this was cute. So it was an olive sweater, and it's kind of got that sporty style with the sporty sleeves right here with the stripe going down and a little stripe around the mock neck. And the rest of it's ivory, and the stripe, I would say, is like in a brownish olive-ish color, okay? I really like this sweater, and when I ordered it, I did not look at the material. And when I brought it in, I immediately felt, and I said, this feels like acrylic, all right? It is. 100% acrylic, wash before use, hand wash cold. You know, I don't really buy 100% acrylic sweaters. I just feel the quality just isn't there on them. Although this does not feel scratchy like a really bad acrylic, it's still acrylic, and I know it's gonna stretch out. Moreover, this is my usual X size extra small, and I get the oversized trim, but this thing looks like a real big square box. I will try it on. You know, I do like it, but I'm not gonna keep it. I just can't do 100% acrylic. And it was expensive, $88, all right? The next thing I got, and I'm pretty excited about, no idea how I'm gonna style it, is this BB Dakota velvet blazer, all right? I don't have anything velvet in a blazer. This is called the BB Dakota by Steve Madden Crush a Lot Blazer Extra Small, and this was $99. I like it a lot looking at it, but my one issue is it came completely wrinkled, and it still is. It was just sitting here on the couch. It still is completely wrinkled. It was not really folded up very nicely in that bag, and as you know, those brown paper bags kind of take a beating, so it wasn't even like it was in a box, you know? And it's velvet. How do I get velvet out of, wrinkles out of velvet? You maybe just hang it up in the bathroom while I'm taking a shower because it can't get wet. I am going to be trying this on, and I'm also going to be thinking long and hard about this as to whether I really want this in my closet, all right? Give me a minute, and I'm going to try and style these both, and we can make a determination of what I should keep. Okay, first up is the Sanctuary sweater. I paired them with my Prosperity cargo that are in the same color as this, pretty much the same color. I mean, it's far enough away. Actually, this is more brown, and this is more green, so this is like it's not really an olive. It is like a tannish brownish, like a taupe color, almost like a mocha slash taupe. So it doesn't quite go as now that I pull it out, but in the closet it looked like it went, but it doesn't quite go when I pull down there, but not even notice it. All right, so these are like a brownish, grayish, olive-ish, not a pure olive, and they're skinny style, very stretchy, and a cargo style, all right? So that is what I decided to pair with them. Also, I put on my funky Steve Madden booties that I adore. They're from 2 years ago now, I think. Okay. So if this were 100% cotton, this sweater, I would consider it, but it is not. It's 100% acrylic, and honestly, I don't think any sweater that's 100% acrylic is worth $88, and that's just my opinion. All right, again, it has the mock neck style. It is not tight on my neck, so for people that are a little bit worried about things that are constricting, I would not say this is constricting at all. All right, it is a little bit long, as to be expected in the sleeves. Again, I'm only 5'2". All right, give me a minute. I'm going to try on the blazer. Okay, next up is the velvet blazer. I do not own a velvet blazer of any sort. This is in black, okay? It is by BB Dakota. It has two flat working functional pockets right here in front, which is nice, and they're a decent sized pocket, okay? Has a collar. I paired it with this very old White House black market top. I mean, this top has to be, I would say, a good 6-7 years old already, okay? And it's long on me because it's actually a larger size, and I would have to wear a blazer with it because it's larger than my usual size. It's probably a small or medium. But I really like this blouse. I thought it was very pretty. And I paired it with a pair of my Spanx faux leather leggings, and I think it works because it's long and it covers my butt, and the blazer also covers my butt. all right? And I have it paired with the strappy pumps, all right? This is a nice, comfortable going out outfit, very comfortable. I mean, I find this extremely comfortable, very wearable. I do like the blazer. I think it fits well. I'm gonna actually look back at the footage. My only qualms about it is that it is pretty wrinkled. You're gonna have to let me know how wrinkled it looks in the camera to you guys. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. Let me pan you up so you can see my head. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do clothing hauls, try-ons, unboxings. I'm going to start doing more shop my closet, some more styling things that I already own. I'm going to be doing some videos on my weight loss journey and how I maintain my weight. And I'm going to do a no-buy for January and February, which is really, really going to be hard for me. We'll see if we can do it, and I could really use your support. All right, well, take care, and until next time.